Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change the language on your BingX application. To change the language on BingX, launch open the BingX application and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on your profile icon, which is usually in the top left or right corner. In the expanded menu, scroll down under Settings and tap on Preferences. Now, look for Language option and tap on it. Choose from the available language in the list that you want to change to, and you can see the interface will automatically update to the selected language. You can always get back to the same menu to change your language. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you.